This one of abandoned house. Abandoned house is many here. Look at this. Abandoned house. So I want to ask you, so all these abandoned houses I forget all of them have been people born also. So people are living here before. Yes. But all these places they are long away. Wonderful. Hey, Jesus. He's very scared. Come. And this, okay, this is our table. This is like other table. Look at it. For many years. Look at the zoo. Look at it. Very scared. Very scared. Very scared. Nobody. I was for many minutes, almost 20 or 30 minutes. Abandoned houses, the many. Look at the abandoned houses. And this place, people were living here before, but right now, everywhere is gone. Abandoned houses. If you go to the other side, in different places, people were living here before. We are living in this compound, different houses, but now everywhere is empty. People are scared. They run away due to insecurity, due to Franny terrorists. Here is Enugu STATE, Eha Amaufu. Here is Enugu STATE, Eha Amaufu. People were living here before. Look at the shape. People run away, leave their home. Run away. This is one of the here. May God help us and heal our land. I don't know when people will come back to their houses, but I pray that God Almighty will help us. Nobody is in the load. Everywhere is empty. Scared, very scared. Look at this is where our people are living before, but now they have run away, leave their home and run away. Very scared, very scared, very scared. So all these houses. Look at the flower. This is a flower. Show that people were living here before. All these houses are not in a fancy. Empty. Now what did you ever before? So people are living here before. Okay, nobody did ever before. So here is a village. Yes. But now nobody.
Nobody is here again.
Come. What is the name of this village? Onungbede village in Eha Amaufu. My God. I saw many abandoned houses, but hey, what is happening? Oh, goes on ato no job, ato no job. About very scared. Because everyone in this village now. Come on. Okay, look at the monkeys. So, monkey na behind everywhere. So, please, it got a village here. Mbede. Our village are people before. Please, what is the name of this village? Mbede. And the people we are living here before. Yes. But now, everywhere, all the houses is empty. Many houses has fall. Yes. If you look at this house, it's inside this bush. Everywhere is empty. But all when I guys, if we go straight, I have got people busy. Can't you buy now? So we are going back.
Most of them are even just entering bush just to look at something to eat
and go back. So here we are about all these places were village before. Here is a village.
My village is still there down there.
Oh my God!
From the place even now to here, it's like 14 or 12 kilometers.
12 kilometers. Like how many minutes?
We pass 40 minutes.
40 minutes.
Or 30 minutes.
But people are living there.
people, but few.
Few.
Yes.
Oh my God, what is happening? Okay, so now we are going to return back. Eh? Yes. I want to return back. Those houses, I have to get them to. Just video, one or two things about. Yeah. I will leave. We are not going forward again. Because here is very...
going forward, man, we're still seeing villages.
Here?
Before they reach Abwet.
Okay, before we reach Abwet.
You will not reach Abwet, yes. Abwet is still far.
But can we see abandoned houses there?
Yes.
Abandoned houses?
Along the road now, yeah.
Along the road. But
that is tight, they are living in there.
Okay, living in there, not this side.
Not this side.
Oh my God. And even if security come here, nobody will even have the confidence or mind to come return back.
No.
Jesus. Here is Enugu State, Eha Amaufu Enugu State. But we are going to go inside and inside the village and ask some people questions of what is happening here. This is one of the Christian genocide that is happening in Nigeria. So I'm in Enugu State, Eha Amaufu. Sir, let's return because we have many places to go. So can you video those ones empty? Very scared. All these places, people we are going market here, people we are living in different places. But now people are scared that I've run away. Yeah? Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Watch the next video. The video is very long. Watch the next one.